Hey guys, Lewis here from Freedom Affiliate Marketing, and in this video you are going to learn how to make money on YouTube by re-uploading videos. So if you haven't been to this channel before, make sure you sub. It's all about building an online business, having success in affiliate marketing, and I'll teach you and show you all the good stuff that you need to know. So make sure you sub and keep an eye out for future videos. But in this video, like I said, we're going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube by re-uploading videos. Okay, so over here, this is my channel. This is my personal channel where you see my face, and I do training videos like this. So this is kind of a branded channel, okay. But what you can also do, which I have also, is I have niche channels. So something in the fitness niche, or you could have one in the garden niche, or mindset niche. All these different types of industries you can have channels around, and you don't need to have your own videos if you don't want to get your face on camera or create your own ones. We can get you up running easily to start getting some cash flow in. So what you need to do is get a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do that, just YouTube it. It's really easy. All you need is a Gmail account. So you just set up a Gmail account, and then you can start a YouTube channel. So after you've done that, you've got your channel. You need to get videos, okay? So before we go and show you that, I just want to say, you can use popular videos, viral videos. Like I said, you don't need to show your face. This is really easy to do. There's no skills needed. It's really copy and paste, and it works in any niche. I'm going to show you where you can find products to earn commission from while getting these videos out. Okay, so this is what I'm going to cover, and stay till the end because I'm going to give you some cool bonuses as well. Going to give you a chance for you to come inside my private group. So what we're going to do is go to YouTube, and let's say I'm going to do so you're in the fitness niche. Let's do that one. So you're in the fitness niche. You have a product which helps you to lose weight, and we want to find videos to put up. So what you need to do, you go search this, okay, guys, and you go to filter. You then go to Creative Commons, and then this will filter out all the videos which you can reuse. Okay, so don't worry about all this. I'm going to do another video about all this cool data that we can get from videos as well, but that being in another video. But what I'll do, if it loads, sorry, my internet's quite slow at the moment. Cool. So here's all the videos we can use. Okay, so we use Creative Commons, which is a license where you can reuse videos. So let's just go to the top. Okay, you've got a fat burning body weighted workout. Okay, so I'll just go click on this video. This guy called Steve Cook. Actually,
I don't know about you, but I get so
I do
bored
know of him,
having the same.
so I know he does some good stuff, good training videos. And what we want to check before we download the video, okay, is you go to show more. If it lets me. There you go. You can tell this is just live and just, yeah. Okay, so license, Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. Perfect, okay. So what we're going to do, we'll actually reuse that. So we can reuse that and do our own different keywords, okay. So you can do different keywords to get to the top of YouTube. Again, like I said, sub to the channel because I'm going to do a whole video on keywords and tools to use to get you to the top. So we've got this video, and you basically just copy the link. So just copy it, and what you want to do is, what I use is keepvid.com or keepvid.id now, but you can just Google it, keepvid, and it comes up, and you just paste the video link here and hit go. I'm not going to do that because it's going to slow down my computer, and you'll just download the video onto your desktop, okay, onto your laptop, and you download it, and it's on there, okay. Then you can re-upload it okay, to your YouTube channel, and you can use different keywords. And what I'm going to show you now is where you can get these products from. Okay, so you're loading up these videos with keywords which are ranking high, yeah, and the videos you don't even need, you don't even need to create. You know, the power behind this is crazy. You do 3-4 videos a week. You know, you get that commitment going with this, and you're ranking certain videos and people seeing it. Because what I just want to say, guys, is when people are searching how to lose weight in 30 days, or you know, ways to lose weight, ways to lose belly fat, all these, the mindset of that person is they're looking for a solution. They know they've got a problem, okay? They know they've got a problem, and they're looking for that solution. So these keywords we're targeting, like how to's, or you know, and this can be in any niche. How to keep your garden clean, or how to keep your lawn short. You know, all these longer tail keywords. As you can see, this, I don't want to go off subject, but it's not like how to lose weight, which is a very saturated, you know, keyword. It's a bit of a longer keywords. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, you've got 8 keywords there, 8 words there. So it's like how to lose weight in 30 days at home. It's a longer tail, so it's not as saturated as other ones, and we can rank higher. You can research all this, and you know you'll get ideas for videos when you do that. But like I said, it's going to be in another video that. So you know, we've got the video, we've downloaded it, and we're uploading it to your YouTube channel, whatever niche it is. So as you can see here, this guy Steve, he's got millions of followers yet, subs. He's well known in the fitness industry. As you can see here, he's got his links. You know, links to his Gymshark, links to watches, links to his training app. Guys, he's getting all these views. People go, look, okay, this guy's got the solution for me to get in shape. Okay, what has he got? He's going to say in the video, go to the description box, click the link to get my training program. Okay, and people go do that. So you may be thinking, well, I haven't got any products. This is where we come in here. Okay, clickbank.com. So sign up. This is me here. This is my back office. So you just go to clickbank.com, sign up for free, and what you got to do is go marketplace. Okay, so you click the marketplace and look at all these categories. Oh, I've seen on TV, betting, business investing. So you can see, oh, I've got cooking. You might have a cooking channel. You've got products in here, but let's do health and fitness, okay? And as you can see, drop it down and look, they've got all this other stuff. You can do any niche. Look, dental health, subs, diet and weight loss. So if, for example, we're looking for diet and weight loss, we'll go here. Here are the products. So what you want to do is flat belly tonic. You know, tonic supplement for weight loss. Or you've got the keto diet. So if you've got a channel about keto diets, that's going to be great. Or just about diets generally. Smoothie diet, weight loss program, old school, new body. So this is all fitness stuff related. And what you go do is go through this and see. Okay, Cinderella solution. And you can see how much average payout is. So each sale, you roughly go get $52. Okay, so you know this could be a good one here. You could put it in the links, and yeah, and that's really it. You go find a product and you can test it on different videos. You can pick 3 products that you think, okay, look cool. Always go for ones which have a good conversion rate, so or a good sale. So $73 is quite nice. 52. This is 27, 20, and they'll have 126, which is good. You know, a couple of those a week. You know, you're on $300 a week just from these little videos you put on your YouTube channel. So this is how it works. And what I've done is I've just created a new channel. I'm not going to show it yet, but it's going to be my future videos in my playlists. And I'm going to do exactly this. I'm going to show you how exactly it's done. In each video I upload, I'm going to do a training video of what video I'm targeting, why I'm targeting the keywords, and what product I'm putting there and why. So I'm going to go in depth with this and show the journey. This is what I first did when I came online as an affiliate marketer. And I still do it to today because you can earn good money, okay? So, yeah, that's really the method, guys. Really simple. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to create your own videos, okay? So that's all for the training. I want to keep it short and sweet. I want to give you the good stuff. So what you need to do is go and take action with it. Think of a product, think of a niche. If you're in like affiliate marketing, you can go to e-business and marketing, affiliate marketing, and look, we've got big ones here, 208, 448. So you've got big ones in this. You can make some big money, and you can use videos and use viral and popular videos. Okay, so that's all from me. If you haven't already, like I said, come and sub to my channel, Freedom Affiliate Marketing. I'll leave the link below. But come and sub. This is a new channel that I'm growing. I'm going to give you all free training on affiliate marketing and all other cool ways of how to make money online. In the link description below, you go see an invitation to a Facebook group, which is a private Facebook group where you can get more coaching from me, okay? More one-to-one action. And that's completely free. And also one of my best products down below, or one that I promote, which I really stand by because it teaches all this good stuff and teaches you how to build a real business online. That's in the link below under Freedom Breakthrough. So make sure you click that because you got a special invitation there where you can build a business from scratch in 3 days. We show you exactly how it's done, okay? A friend of mine, Jonathan, absolutely crushing it online. So make sure you click that link as well below. So that's all from this video. Hope it helps. Take care, and see you inside my group, and hopefully enjoy more of these videos. So bye for now.